Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, we're viewing the top pros using Tailor Brands. First is having user-friendly interface. Tailor Brand is designed for everyone, even if you're new and never created a logo before. Its interface is super intuitive and easy to use. Second, AI-powered logo creation. Thanks to its AI, Tailor Brands does the heavy lifting for you. Just answer a few questions and it will generate unique logo designs tailored to your style. Third, affordable pricing plans. Whether you're a startup or a small business, Tailor Brands offers flexible and budget-friendly pricing options. You can get everything from a simple logo to full branding packages. Fourth, comprehensive branding tools. It's not just logos. Tailor Brands provide tools for business cards, social media templates, and even branded merch mockups. It's your all-in-one branding solution. Fifth, high quality downloads. You'll get professional, high resolution files ready for print or digital use. Perfect for everything from social media to billboard. 6. Time saving and customizable. Tailor Brands is fast. You can create a professional logo in minutes. Plus, everything is customizable, so your design is 100% unique to your brand. Tailor Brands makes building your brand easy, affordable, and professional. Ready to start your branding journey? Go to Tailor Brands website to try it out today. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.